Now we see sides, vertices and diagonals. Okay, what is mean by sides, vertices and diagonals? See the diagram. In this diagram, denoted the name, this is A, B, C, D and this one is E. Okay. Give justification to call it is a polygon. The line segment, see these are all the line segment forming a polygon are called its sides. Okay. What is mean by sides? See here, this is AB, BC, CD, DE and then EA. See the line segment forming a polygon are called its sides. Clear? So what are the sides of polygon? A, B, C, D, E. See what is the sides? The sides are, what is that? AB. Line segment means you can put in this symbol. Okay. And then BC. Next CD. After that DE. Next one EA. Clear? So the meeting point of a pair of sides is called its vertex. What is mean by vertex? A meeting point of a pair, see, of sides is called vertex. What is mean by the vertex? See the side AE and ED meet at E. So E is a vertex of the polygon ABCDE. Everybody clear? What is mean by the vertex? The meeting point of a pair of sides is called its vertex. The meeting point of a pair. See, you can take a side AE and ED. AE and ED. You can take in this two line segment. So meet at which point? E. So E is a vertex of the polygon ABCDE. Clear? Points B and point C are its other vertices. Clear? Can you name the other vertices of the above polygon ABCDE? Yeah, these are all the, that means E, the A, B, C, D, E, all points are the polygon, right? That means vertices, sorry, vertices. So any two sides with a common end point are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. What is that? Any two sides with a common end point are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. What is that? Are the side AB and BC adjacent? How about AE and DC? So the end points of the same side of a polygon are called the adjacent vertices. Vertices E and D are adjacent, whereas vertices A and D are not adjacent vertices. Do you see why? Okay. Now, consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent. The join of these vertices are called the diagonal of the polygon. See, first you have to understand for the adjacent. What is mean by the adjacent? Any two sides with a common end point are called the adjacent side of the polygon. Okay, see, you can take AB and then BC. These two are adjacent. Yes, these two are adjacent. See here, AB means B is the end point. CB means B is the end point. So this two is called adjacent. How about AE and DC? What is AE and DC? This is not adjacent, no common end points. So AE, this is DC. There is no common end point. So this pair is not an adjacent. Okay. The end points of the same side of your polygon are called the adjacent vertices. Vertices E and D are adjacent, whereas vertices A and D are not adjacent. Okay, ED adjacent. Why? See here, AE, ED you can take means AE means E is the end point. Clear? ED means E is the end points. Because of these are all the line segment. Okay. So, what is that? E and D are adjacent. Whereas the vertices A, D, this is not an adjacent vertices. Why? See here. A this place, D this place. So, this is not a adjacent. Clear? Now, consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent. The joints of these vertices are called the diagonals of the polygon. See this figure. I have to draw the same figure. A, B, C, D. This one is E. See this diagram. Okay. Consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent. The joining of these vertices are called the diagonals of the polygons. That means which are not adjacent means they join these vertices are called the diagonals of the polygon. See this figure, AC. Okay. And then AD. Then BD. Next BE, next CE or diagonals. Is BC a diagonal? No, this is not a diagonal. This is a vertices, not a diagonal. Everybody clear? Okay. So, if you try to join adjacent vertices, will the result be a diagonal? See, what is that? BC is the vertices and also adjacent vertices, right? If you try to join adjacent vertices, will the result be a diagonal? Just you can think. Name all the adjacent vertices of this figure A, B, C, D, E. Everybody clear for in that one? See here. Now you see sides, vertices and diagonals. So in this justification to call it's a polygon. In this diagram is called the polygon. The line segment forming a polygon are called its sides. Okay. So what are the sides of the polygon? A, B, C, D, E. See here A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E and EA. These are all the sides. The meeting point of a pair of sides is called a vertices. Okay, pair of sides is called a vertices. What is mean by the vertices? Common, see here, this side, see AE and ED meet at the point E. So E is the vertex of the polygon ABCDE. Similarly, you can find the remaining vertices. Okay, and then what is mean by adjacent? Any two sides with a common end point are called the adjacent sides of a polygon. See AB, BC. In this one AB, B is a end points. Okay, and then CB, B is the end point. So two sides AB, BC. You can take these two sides with a common endpoint are called, the common endpoint is B, are called the adjacent sides of the polygon. Clear? Next, vertices. See, everybody know the vertices, sides and adjacent sides. Okay, now we see polygon. Okay, sorry, diagonal. What is mean by diagonal? See, everybody know the adjacent side means common end points. Okay, so now the end points of your same sides of your polygon are called the adjacent vertices. See, in this vertices E and D are adjacent, whereas the vertices A and D are not adjacent vertices. A and D are not adjacent vertices. Okay, now see here, consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent. The joints of these vertices are called the diagonal. See, AD is not adjacent. You can join offline. Okay, see this diagram. In this diagram, see, AD is not adjacent, but you have to draw some line for AD. See here, AD. This line name is called an diagonal. Okay, so what is that? Consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent. AD is not adjacent. The join of these vertices, in these two vertices you have to try to join, are called the diagonals of the polygon. Okay, see these figures. Everybody clear? Sides, vertices, adjacent and diagonals. Diagonals, if you need, means first you have to know the adjacent side. Everybody clear this four concept: side, vertices and diagonals. Okay. This is sides. Okay. Vertices means A, B, B, C, B. You can take B is the common point. Okay. So common point exists means that is the vertices. Then adjacent means common end points. Okay. Common end point is there means that is the adjacent side. Consider the pair of vertices which are not adjacent means the join of these vertices are called the diagonal of the polygon. Everybody clear? Okay, now we see some exercise problem. See here. The first one. The first problem. Consider the given figure and answer the question. Okay, consider the given figure and answer the question. The first one is it is a curve. Is it a curve? The second one, it is closed. Okay, see the diagram. See this diagram. Okay, see this figure. It is a curve. Yes, I have to start in this one, ending for this one. So, yes, it is a curve. It is a closed, see here. Yes, it is a closed curve. Okay, so how can you write the solution? That is the very easiest one. Say, yes. Is it a curve? Yes. It is a curve. Next. It is closed? Yes. It is closed curve. Clear? Now, see the next problem. See here. Illustrate. If possible, each one of the following with a rough diagram. The first one, a closed curve that is not a polygon. The second one, an open curve made up entirely of line segments. See the third one, a polygon with two sides. Okay, see what is the question. Illustrate if possible each one of the following with a rough diagram. Okay, now you have to try to draw the diagram. See the first one. What is the first? A closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, see what is mean by polygon? Polygon means simple closed figure made up entirely of line segment. Simple closed figure. Okay, wow. So made up an entirely, what is that? Polygon means simple closed figure and then made up entirely of line segment. But what is your question? A closed curve that is not a polygon. Okay, how can you draw? See, this is closed, not a polygon. Correct? So in this figure is closed but not a polygon. This figure is closed this figure is the closed figure but not a polygon. Polygon means line segment you need. Clear? Okay. See the second one, an open curve made up entirely of line segment. See, line segment. See here, see this diagram. This figure is an open curve made up entirely of line segment. So we can write this figure is an open curve made up entirely of line segments. Clear? See the third one, a polygon with two sides. No, it's not possible, as a polygon having least number of sides is a triangle which has three sides. Okay, minimum three sides you need to draw a polygon. But your question is a polygon with two sides. No, it's not possible, as the polygon having least number of sides, minimum sides, how many, is a triangle which has 3 sides. Clear? See, what is the question? A closed curve that is not a polygon means you can draw this diagram. Next, an open curve made up an entirely of line segment means you can draw the open curve line segment. Okay. Then a polygon with 2 sides means no, it is not possible. As a polygon having least number of sides, it is a triangle which has 3 sides. Everybody clear? Thank you.